Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com. I'm making this a small video about as a weekly recap trades taken in the last week. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, I want to show you this. My Euro Index weekly chart. I predicted this move here. I made this chart on the 6th September 2018. Okay, and this is my Elliott wave count 1 2 3 4 5 up to the upside, and then ABC correction, and I was expecting that it's gonna go up a little bit for wave B, and then it will come down to this rising TL, this black TL here for wave C, and then it came down here. I made another chart like this one. See, it says start coming down. It says, okay, this is 108 to B. It went up there, as I said, and then start to come down. Then I made this chart on the August, on 2019, 22nd August 2019, saying that this would be the target, the intersection of this, and then 127 of expansion of this wave A, B, and C would be 127, and this rising TL. And as of yesterday, the last Friday, yesterday, look what happened. We are exactly there where I said that it's going to come down. Almost more than a year, right? Year and a half. 27 expansion here, A, B, C, exactly there. 127, and the TL is hit, and just off of my target. But yeah, the target is hit, but not exactly the same place I said. But it is hit. So that's how this Elliott wave works beautifully if you know what you're doing. So anyway, and now be careful. This can bounce from there, right? So if this TL hold, we can bounce and go back to the TL. I will see what happens over the weekend. What happened, and if there's any positivity for euro to go up. So let's see. Now this is my trading week. Started on the 10th. This is pound Uzi trade on the 10th, 85 pip. Look at this. There was bearish here, then we went up above the the red line, and beautiful entry here. This was an entry here. This was an entry here. Also, this is the entry. But so many entry this system gives you. But this is the first one that I took. I think I took this one, lost 5 pip, and then I took the other one, and then I went all the way to the upside. Okay, and the next one was on the 10th. But it's a 20-minute chart, EUR-AUD, beautiful short setup, indicates all the way up, and reversal candle, a couple of red candles. I made the entry, and it went down for 115 pip, right to the target. My target was 62.48 weekly high. After that, that's on the 10th, pound Aussie, also the beautiful by the book entry. This is the entry one of my subscribers also took, and that's pound Aussie, 7 minute, because of the Aussie strength. Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie both went down, right? And the 10th, and now this is Euro Aussie. This is from the 7-minute chart, again for 80 pip from there to there. 61.88 was the target. All these highs, weekly highs, lows, they are very, very important. This one here, pound yen to the upside. Here there was a transition. This was an entry which I obviously missed, and then I took this one, got knocked out. This one took it, and it went up. See, usually the setup requires 7-minute setup requires excuse me, 13 pip SL, 13 to 15 pip SL. So if you make an entry and then it goes in your way a little bit, and you move your SL to a little bit more, maybe 5 pip, 10 pip loss. A risk, and then it comes and hits you. That doesn't mean anything as long as you know what you're doing. Then you can get in again after another setup. You get in, and then you not only recover the loss of 5, 6, 8 pip, but you make a lot more than that. And that's how this system works. Then on the 11th, okay, this is on the 12th, Aussie yen, right? This was a beautiful entry, and then this is the entry here. This was an entry, but like I said, choppy market, and then I moved my SL, got knocked out, boom, make the second setup, took the entry, and then it went up. This the SL hit was on a break even. Excuse me, I have a bad throat. Okay, so CAD yen here on the 12th, same story as Aussie yen. You can see that. Okay, pound Uzi again. This is beautiful, beautiful trade, right? So it was wobbling around, news came out, boom, 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 and then we went up. A couple of entries here, and this is the first one that I took. If you're watching, you can see, you cannot miss these entries if you're watching. And on the 14th, USD franc to the upside right there by the book entry, and Euro USD, beautiful entry here. This was an entry here, this was an entry here, all the way down, and this is at the end of the week. Not too many trades, yes, compared to last couple of weeks, but something, right? I think it's like 10-11 trades. Excuse me. So this is how the system works, and this is what happened last week. And hopefully next week, like I just showed you, the euro chart, if euro start getting strong, all the euro pairs, euro USD also went down to his target on a weekly chart and is getting ready to go up. So hopefully euro will get strong a little bit, and I will have, and then if I take the euro long trades, I'll show you next week as well. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.